first one is NovaStar, and NovaStar is located in Xi'an, China. So this is a really interesting city. So Xi'an is one of 4 great ancient capitals of China with over 3,100 years of history. They are one of the few cities in the world that can boast a history spanning 3 millennia. They are home to China's research and development facilities, national security, and Chinese space exploration program. They are also the birthplace of Chinese civilization and was a capital for 13 empires under 70 emperors. So this city has a little bit of history. And they're also the home for NovaStar. So who is NovaStar? NovaStar is the largest manufacturer of LED control systems in the world. They manufacture receiver cards, like the A-series receiver card, which is powering all the LED that you're seeing here. So the receiving card lives inside the LED. And then they make the processor, which we've got a processor rack over here. Those NovaStar processors are talking to the LED, and that's what helps make the beautiful image that you see behind me now. Together, NovaStar's receiver cards and processors reliably power millions of LED tiles around the world. So what's our partnership look like with them? Starting this month, we are a distributor for the full lineup of NovaStar products. Evolve will provide service starting in the fall. So before this, you had to send your NovaStar processor back to China. Now you can send it to us, and we can do the warranty repair. We will also begin to offer NovaStar certified classes starting in the summer, and those will be on the Academy page of our website. NovaStar is also a company that's come a heck of a long way. They've always made good products, but they've really been putting a lot of money into research and development, and this is one of the products that really shows how far this company has come. This is releasing at Infocom. This is the Nova Pro UHD Jr. We have one actually set up over here if you want to take a peek after the show. And the Nova Pro UHD is NovaStar's all-in-one controller that integrates a 4K image processor, a high-quality 4K image processor, with a LED processor. So those two are together. So it features DVI, HDMI 2.0, and 12G SDI loopable outputs, and also features 16 Ethernet ports and 4 optical fiber ports. The list price on this box is $8,500. So it's extremely attractively priced. If you own LED, and everybody knows LED is getting bigger and bigger, you're pushing more pixels, this is going to be a great all-in-wonder unit.